Let's talk about weight and let's talk about mass. So mass is like how much matter you have, how much atoms you got. Weight is mass times by gravity. So it depends on the gravitational pull. Without a gravitational pull, you have no weight. You will have mass, but you won't have weight. Weight is measured in newtons, mass is measured in kilograms. Now, if I took a ruler, or let's say a pen, the mass is evenly distributed if it's a uniform pen. So if it hasn't got like a bigger side on one side and it's kind of like evenly spaced, the mass is evenly distributed. But however, the weight of the pen, that is going to be found at a place called the center of gravity. Now, if it's evenly distributed, the center of gravity is going to be in the center. And the reason why it's in the center is because the forces on this side and the forces on this side are going to balance each other, because the mass on here and the mass over here are exactly the same. So the weight over here is exactly the same. So the center of gravity is going to be directly in the middle. Now, the center of gravity is sometimes also called the center of mass. So if I have a square like so, the center of mass is where all the lines intersect one another, which in this case is going to be right over here. For a circle, if I draw diameters, the center of mass or center of gravity is going to be right in the middle. Now, if I had another object, let's say it was very thick over here, and this side isn't that thick, is the center of mass going to be in the middle? No, because it's not uniformly distributed. So the center of mass is going to be probably closer to the end over there, because the mass over here is quite big. The mass over there isn't that big. So to balance both of these out, it needs to be more to the side that has a heavier mass, and that will kind of like balance it out.